So how can you restart the iPhone without ever touching the screen? Now, a lot of people might need this. Perhaps your screen just froze, or you just need to perform a restart without pressing anything on the screen. And it is possible because there is a feature called Force Restart, and you can basically just use the buttons, the physical ones, on the side of the phone instead of touching the screen. And it just goes like this. So you just press the volume up, volume down, and then hold on the power button until your phone shuts down. So again, you have to perform it kind of quickly in a succession. So yeah, you just have to get it right. But once you do, the screen will go black and the phone will actually just restart, right? So this is very useful to fix like temporary glitches in the software, right? So it is useful when screen becomes unresponsive for whatever reason. And usually this kind of force restart just sets everything back to normal again. So again, it is the volume up, volume down, and the power button holding. So that's basically how it works. Outside of that, there isn't really much else. You can still plug your phone into a computer if you think that it will make a difference. But yeah, that's it. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one. And I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.